Welcome back to Done Different. I'm Billy D, and today we are going to be taking the crashed parts off of the 98 Chevy Metro. How did you get soaking wet? What did you do? Guess I won't be filming a video. Welcome back to Done Different. I know I haven't uploaded in 2 months, but make sure you are subscribed because I've got a ton of automotive content coming at you guys over this next fall and into the winter. First, we're going to be working on this Metro today. This is going to be my main gambler car for the Gambler 500 events that I'm going to be attending this fall. So here in part one, we are going to be taking off all of the crashed and damaged parts from when this got into a collision before I got it. There are several things that are completely destroyed, like the AC condenser, the condenser fan, the bumper support, the radiator support. The radiator, I think I'm gonna be able to save. It has a hole in it, but I ran this for an hour yesterday, idling. It didn't overheat. I've driven it several times. It doesn't overheat. So I think that the radiator will be fine. I'll just patch that hole and it should be good. But I have a bunch of other things that I'm going to either need to replace or come up with some solution for, which we will get into in the next video. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on time lapse and do all the nut and bolt stuff, where take off the headlights, the bumper support, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and start taking this thing apart. Okay, now that we have most of the broken pieces pulled off, instead of cutting the welds and pulling the top core support and the bottom support off, I'm going to strap, really, it's not going to take much, some sort of strap to this and then to a tree, pull that, straighten it out, do the same thing here. The radiator is not mounted on the top anymore, but it is still mounted on the bottom, I think, unless it broke those tabs too. But we're gonna try to pull these both out enough so that I can work behind them. I'm gonna try to retain these original core supports so that I can keep the radiator mounted there. And then I have plans to put in a different bumper, different sets of lights, some accessories. You guys, again, will see that in part 2. So let's go ahead and get this thing jumped off and hooked to the pecan tree, see if we can pull these out. Still running good. You guys hear that high pitch? Is that the compressor clutch that I'm hearing? So I obviously did the AC condenser and fan delete, and I would probably, if I were to replace that, I would probably have to replace the compressor too. And even if I didn't, I'm still looking at like $300 in parts and then another couple $100 to have a shop full of vacuum and then charge it. So I decided to just do the AC delete, and I'm trying to decide if I should take the compressor off and try to find a shorter belt that will fit, or if that would be too much of a headache and I should just leave the old compressor on here, but not running, obviously. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. All right, let's get this top and bottom bar pulled out. Well, this strap is overkill, but whatever. right, just a light tug. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's ground. How much you would have bet that's what it was? Maybe? Maybe? Yep, I think that did it. Okay, back to the crash bar. This sheet metal is really thin and really easy to bend, so it's not taking much at all to get this thing back into shape. As you guys can see, not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty darn straight. Still use a little torquing over here with the hammer, but not too bad. Let's try the bottom. Getting there, taking a little more than the top. And I'm definitely not getting this perfect, but at least trying to get it as straight as possible. Let's try that a couple more times. Well, she's out a little further than I wanted, but that'll work for now. I may end up trying to replace that with something else, but this will work for the time being. So, seems to be running good, not hot. Service engine light, we're gonna figure that out in a future episode, but seems to be doing just fine. Went for just a real quick mile or so spin around the block. This is gonna be a hell of a fun gambler car. It's just a big four-wheeler. All right, here we go. Good shot in the mirror building. All right. Hopefully that's nothing bad. Yeah, just water. Like I told you guys earlier, there is a hole in the radiator, so I'm definitely gonna have to patch that. But I can't believe it's still running perfect temp, even with the hole in it. All right, I think we are done for this episode. So off camera, I'm gonna go through and tweak this and the bottom bar to get them a little better, a little straighter, and as close to perfect as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, share if you would, comment below. Let me know what you think of this project, and I will see you guys in the next one. Billy D, geometroing on out of here. Peace.